Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to attend the large group work time options. And so if you look under each of the days of the week, because you know our work plan is divided up by days of the week. Well, I hope you know anyway, so that hopefully you watched that video. And this works the same it'll work the same every single week, no matter what week it is, what class you're in. So you're going to always scroll down here if you want to do the whole group lessons. You're going to go right here to where it says large group work time. And there are two things that are very, very important that you need to make sure you notice for how those work times are going to go. First of all, notice where I say be sure you've watched the videos and taken notes ahead of time. This is not where I'm going to give you notes. I've already given you notes when I've recorded them up here under the day of the week where it says notes/lesson, right? So every single lesson I already have recorded for you, so I am not going to do a bunch of notes and anything like that. These are for if you need help with a particular assignment. You either did the notes, you're still really confused, you thought you got it, and you tried the classwork, but you're still having a hard time. That is what these sessions are for. So let's say that you want to go to one of those large group sessions. You're going to click on these links directly, and it's going to take you to a Google Meet, which I'll show you. So we click on Google Meet on the link right here. And this is going to take you to a Google Meet session where I'll be there waiting for you. So you are always going to be able to click on there and get some extra help from me. Now, there's a few things that you need to notice about those. First of all, those help sessions are still organized by day of the week. And I really put a lot of thought into how I wanted to work this. And again, I don't know. This is all work in progress for me. I might change this. Ooh, excuse that loud motorcycle that went outside my house. But so make sure you pay attention to what day of the week these are. So you'll notice like Tuesday's here in the pink, right? If you scroll down, you notice that there's not an extra help session on Tuesday. That's our very first day that we have NTI. And the reason I don't have an extra help session for that first day is because, again, I want you to have time to actually watch the notes and tried the work yourself. So I want to give people enough time to make sure they have time. So you're going to notice, well, what happens if I need extra help on the Tuesday classwork? Well, you're going to notice that the extra help classwork schedule is one day behind. So right here on Wednesday, okay, so Wednesday 4/8. So we're looking in the green column here. So if you look under Wednesday and you see the Google Meet, like this is where you can go for extra help, you're going to notice a couple things. First of all, here's the time, 11 to 12. And it says topic, Tuesday classwork. So we're always going to do the large group meetings a day behind. So the green, remember, is actually on Wednesday. And the reason that I'm doing Tuesday's classwork on Wednesday is, let's say you're responsible for watching Brothers and Sisters earlier in the day, so you don't have a chance to get to the notes yet until later on Tuesday. I want to make sure that everybody has ample time to get to the notes before they join this large group session. So the classwork is always going to be, so the large group meeting is always going to be one day behind. So you'll notice here in the Thursday column that we're going to be working on Wednesday's classwork, and so on and so forth. So it's always going to be one day behind. Another thing that's really important for you to notice is that I did a survey ahead of time. That's what I'm using to base these times that we're doing these large group meetings. And, we might be changing this times. I honestly, we're all doing the best we can right now. There's probably going to be some changes. Who knows? I went with the times that I got from people based on the survey questions. But let's say you can't meet me between 11 and 12. So notice right here where it says sessions will be recorded and uploaded to Google Classroom. So you'll actually be able to go, as soon as I do those live sessions, I will upload a copy of it to Google Classroom so that you can see what you missed. So hopefully that'll be helpful too. The other thing that's really important is, let's say you try to join the Google Meet and you have some kind of technical difficulties, then I want you to know that it's perfectly acceptable. You're going to notice text Dr. PB right here. So if you run into technical difficulties, please have somebody text that number, because I don't want you to be, and then I get that message right away. Say, hey, I'm trying to join the Google Meet, but I'm having a problem, so I can try to troubleshoot that with you. I don't want you to say, oh, I tried to join the Google Meet, but I couldn't get to it. That is exactly why that text message option is there, so that I get it instantly, so I know whether or not you are having a problem. So again, to sum up, the large group meetings that we're going to be having on Google Classroom through Google Meet can be found right here where it says large group work time, and they're organized by day. So obviously Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And that you need to pay attention to the times that they're offered. So make sure that you actually click on it, make sure between that time. If you click on it any other time, nobody's going to be there waiting for you, or you're going to accidentally wander into the wrong help session. And pay attention to the fact that what we're going to be covering in that large group section is a day behind. So on Wednesday, we'll do the Tuesday classwork. Thursday, we'll work on the Wednesday classwork, etc.